All right, guys, you've seen us teasing a huge announcement for October 1st. Well, it's finally here. Let me show you guys what we've been cooking up here at Team Lethal. Your opportunity to win this truck and $15,000 in cash starts now with the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway. From October 1st through December 31st, every dollar that you guys spend here at Lethal Performance gains you an entry to winning this truck, the cash, and a whole lot more. And what I mean by a whole lot more, you know we're not giving away a stock truck. We're gonna build this thing up with all the Go Fast goodies to make it look better, sound better, and be fast. This is a highly sought after, awesome platform. We're talking about a 2022 carbonized gray metallic, regular cab short bed, 4x4 with the Coyote motor. And this thing is gonna get all the goodies. We're talking about a Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger kit. We've got Kooks Headers, Corsa Performance catback, Morimoto headlights, tail lights, and third brake light. A ton of Lethal Performance custom painted products, which includes a paint match STX front grille, front and rear bumpers, mirror covers, and door handles. For the suspension, we're doing an IHC suspension lowering kit. On top of that IHC suspension kit, we're throwing in a Kelltrac front coilover setup on here, which is gonna be totally badass. We've got not one, but two sets of wheels going with this from Weld and Forgestar. For body and styling, we're doing a Cervinis paint matched hood as well as an RK Sport carbon fiber front splitter. We're also throwing in a Lethal Performance tailgate and roof spoiler along with some UPR catch cans. And lastly, for that one lucky winner that's taking this truck home fully built along with the $15,000 in cash, I'm gonna throw in our Shoemaker Performance tune and device. The entire build of the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway will be available on our Lethal Performance YouTube channel, so make sure to head on over, subscribe so you get notifications of every project that we're doing to this vehicle. Head on over to lethalperformance.com, purchase your parts, purchase your accessories, and your swag to earn your entries to winning this truck and $15,000 in cash. And remember, all of the brands that I mentioned just now that are going on this truck are gonna earn you double points. So get those entries, guys. Good luck. And for the official rules on the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway, head on over to lethalperformance.com.